The addition for a Martin inspection door provides access to things that would require a confined space permit or the need for a person to enter into a chute, therefore increasing the risk of injury. So installing a Martin inspection door, for example, at the point where you need to change a blade, there's no longer a need for a person to climb inside of a chute or to remove an entire head box, which requires maximum downtime. An engineered door with a proper seal, the ability to lock, that can simply be opened and therefore provide access to the equipment within arm's reach, is going to provide a leg up for safety as well as production. Martin inspection doors are available in a wide variety. We have low-profile doors, which will obviously stay close to the chute. We actually have AR line doors, abrasion resistance, so that anything that would be within the material flow, that door is protected from impact. We also have doors with the guard to allow visual inspection without allowing personnel to break the plane. We also have them available in mild steel or stainless steel, the stainless steel more for the corrosive environments. And therefore, we're able to meet the needs of just about any customer and their exact specifications.